Our production savings on that part alone is roughly 50%. I'm Jim Ulmer. I'm co-owner of Ulmer Machine Company with my brother Todd here in Richland, Mississippi. We are a mixed mode job shop and component part and assembly manufacturer for other manufacturers. The industries that we serve include power generation, power distribution, outdoor lighting, lumber industry. Our facility is roughly 12,000 square feet. We did a pretty major expansion about 3 or 4 years ago, adding 7,000 square feet to our facility, which is our present CNC shop that we're running now. In this facility, we have a total of 9 CNCs. We have 5 lathes and 4 mills. We recently purchased the ST20Y with the bar feeder, specifically to resolve some of the problems of moving parts from the lathe to the mill. We were able to complete a part in our ST20 that would normally have to go to a mill. This saved us a lot of handling and time, and ultimately reduces our cost and increases our profits. We're currently running a hex nut. It's a special hex nut out of 17-4 stainless. This is part of an assembly that we do for an operator arm for one of our customers. That part we were originally cutting into just a disc. We were machining that disc on one of the lathes to put the bore and the threading inside of it, and then we were moving it to a mandrel on a mill that would then cut the hex flats onto the nut. When we bought the STY, we were able to feed a bar with the bar feeder and complete the entire nut inside of the machine at the same time. Our production savings on that part alone is roughly 50% of the time that it was requiring for us to cut and machine 2 operations in the lathe and the mill. One of the component parts that we're running on one of the Haas mills today is a rod head that's made out of 17-4. This is a heavy part that starts out at about 18 pounds. When we get finished with it, we're down to about 6 pounds of material, of a finished part. There's a lot of heavy material removal for this part. The Haas does a very nice job of this. We're looking at moving more and more Haas machine tools into our facility and expanding our customer base, as well as taking on more and more from our existing customers. We have several of the original machines that we purchased from Haas in '99 and 2000 that are currently still running today. That's a testament to Haas's quality. They built very durable, very quality machines that we've been able to maintain and keep running for all these years. We have them literally working side by side with the newer machines, such as our ST20, and those machines are more dedicated, but are still very accurate machines. They're holding tolerances within 1,000th, so we keep running these particular machines. That's the part I really love about the Haas, is that they have remained accurate for so long, even on our older machines.